So let's say you've gotten into your discussion forums area inside your course as part of the way you're prepping for your course, and you notice that it's not exactly in the sequence that you'd like it to be. So for example, here on the screen, I've got a discussion forum, and then I've got several topics underneath, and they're not really in the discussion sort of sequence that I want them to appear, at least just not on the page. And so I want to modify that. To do that, you can use the organize function that's up here on the top. Just click on the organize function and then per the discussion topic. So you can organize items within a forum. So you have this reading reflection forum, and then you've got these multiple topics underneath. And then you've got another forum and topics and another forum and that set of topics. Well, I can't move topics between forums. I can organize the topics within a forum. And then I can move the forums themselves around. So for example, if I wanted this extra forums to be first, then I could say, well, I want that one to be 1, and then it will reflexively make the other forums some other number after making that one that way. I'm going to go ahead and just resequence this. So I want actually unit 7 to be the 7th one, 6 I want it to be the 6th one, 5 I want it to be the 5th one, and so on and so forth. Once I've gone through and done all these slight modifications, then to make sure the changes stick, I'm just going to go all the way to the bottom here to where there's a nice little save button, and just click the save button. Once the page reloads, then you'll see that I've got that particular form, and then if I scroll down here, this one is in the sequence that it should be in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so now I could do the same thing to address those topics that are in the crossing the bridge, although I could have done them on the same screen all in one fell swoop. Now, I know there's also some items that are here on the screen that you might be curious about. Some of these have little calendars. Those basically mean that that topic is not disclosed to students until the time that has been designated. This is typically done to make sure that students get into a topic and then don't have access to that topic later, so that you sort of help them to have that discussion at a timely manner. You can view the dates by selecting the View Date option, and if you want to modify those dates, you can simply click on the topic settings and then use the topic settings date picker to specify the open and close dates. Now, some of you may be wondering, well, why don't these have anything? There's no view dates, there's no other icon that's here. Essentially, that's because these two topics have not been designated with dates at all. So there is no open date and there's no close date. The basic premise for this might be that the instructor decided, I'm just going to leave them open, and the discussion happens in that unit, and if you decide to have discussion in this unit past that unit, then it just doesn't count because all that stuff, all topic and forum postings are time-stamped, and so you can see when those things come in. Hope that helps.